HTML encoding character sets. To display an HTML page correctly, a web browser must know which character to use. From ASCII to UTF-8, ASCII was the first character encoding standard. ASCII defined 128 different characters that could be used on the internet, numbers 0 to 9, English letters from A to Z, and some special characters like exclamation mark, the dollar sign, the plus sign, the minus sign, parentheses, at symbol, angle brackets, or the less than sign and the greater than sign. The ISO 808051-1 was the default character set for the HTML4. This character set supported 256 different character codes. HTML4 also supported UTF-8. ANSI Windows 1252 was the original Windows character set. ANSI is identical to ISO 8859-1, except that ANSI has 32 extra characters. The HTML5 specification encourages web developers to use the UTF-8 character set, which covers almost all of the characters and symbols in the world. The HTML charset attribute. To display an HTML page correctly, a web browser must know the character set used in the page. This is specified in the meta tag. So here we have angle brackets, we have the meta element, we have the charset attribute, equal sign, double quotes. Inside of the double quotes we're gonna have the UTF-8. Now, the difference between the character sets. The following table displays the difference between the character sets described above. So in the first column we have the number, in the second column we have the ASCII, in the third column we have the ANSI, the fourth column we have the 808059, the fifth column we have the UTF-8, and in the final column we're gonna have the description. So as you can see, we have the 32, in the description is going to be a space. We have the 33, that is going to be the exclamation mark, and you can see respectively we have the ASCII, the ANSI, the 88, the UTF. We have the quotation mark, the number sign, the dollar sign, the percent sign, the ampersand. You have the apostrophe, left parentheses, and you can check out all these examples. We have from the number 32 all the way up to the number 256, I guess, 255. So that is that. You can check out, you can read all these examples if you want. The ASCII character set. ASCII uses the values from 0 to 31 and 127 for control characters. ASCII uses the values from 32 to 126 for letters, digits, and symbols. ASCII does not use the values from 128 to 255. The ANSI character set, the Windows 1252. ANSI is identical to ASCII for the values from 0 to 127. ANSI has a proprietary set of characters for the values from 128 to 159. ANSI is identical to UTF-8 for the values from 160 to 255. The ISO 8859-1 character set. The ISO 8859-1 is identical to ASCII for the values from 0 to 127. ISO 8859-1 does not use the values from 128 to 159. ISO 8859-1 is identical to UTF-8 for the values from 160 to 255. And this is all just a general overview. The UTF-8 character set. The UTF-8 is identical to ASCII for the values from 0 to 127. UTF-8 does not use the values from 128 to 159. UTF-8 is identical to both ANSI and 808059-1 for the values from 160 to 255. UTF-8 continues from the value 256 with more than 10,000 different characters. For a closer look, study our complete HTML character set reference, so you can check out this website if you like.